Alright, thanks for tuning in this DB video. We're up here in upstate New York. We're with the fellas, Triple Threat Production. It's a blast up here. It's cold, early. We're about to get everything unloaded. We have a trap to walk, but it's about a feet of 350, 300. So I'm gonna get my legs and we're gonna get to walk, and I'll walk for that.
Yeah, buddy. I think any of us would be willing to walk that far for that many birds.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Make them pucker!
Sorry.
No, you're good, you're good.
We wiped them up.
Oh.
In your face, you dirtbag! Make them pucker!
Good shooting, boys.
Watch that grip right
We got more coming. We got more coming. We got more coming.
Kill him on the right!
Two shots, two shots.
We gotta get bellies on.
Crunch that one.
Oh, right there on the right, front right.
Oh, yeah, yep. Gotta get this bird tough.
These three.
Kill these three.
That one right. He's going down.
He's going down.
He's going down. Oh, he's gonna be way the hell out there.
That one's up there, wounded.
Oh, he's gonna. Oh no, he's raising back
Watch
up.
that barn.
Yeah, watch.
What's that one? Is that you want to
Oh, we got a good fly. I don't know if they just left it out there too.
Go. Yeah. Right there.
Kill him.
Two? I think one of them might have been,
I think the third one in.
the third one that came in was banded, just like you know. I got this bitch.
Kill him.
He did the old. I got a great video of that one.
Did the old. You watching that?
From the heavens. Come on down, kids. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Kill him!
Oh, there's a bird up front.
I think they just lifted up out of that field.
Let's go, boys.
Kill him!
Oh,
I'm just gonna go buy a wicked wing. After my wedding, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna spend $2,000 on a shot.
A bunch of birds just got up at that field.
That flock might come, I don't know.
oh they were circling when we shot.
Were they? Oh, we got a good flock. I don't know if they just lifted out of that field.
Let's go.
Over the top.
Right here.
Over the top.
Gotta kill him.
Hey, the two-pack.
I just shot that thing in the
Are they coming? Yeah, they're coming too.
Kill him. We gotta kill him.
Bryson, puff that one.
I got that one right there. I went to pull the trigger and got slapped in the face.
Give me some of that.
Yo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we gotta pick some geese up.
A 2-pack right here. Right in front, eating it up. Right in front, eating it up.
Grip to the left's gonna do it too.
Burn
just kill
even.
these ones?
Yeah.
Kill him. You watching? Do I go talk to that guy? Yeah, I'll go talk to him.
Hey, put a GoPro on your head, please.
Watch that single triple. Got room for me.
Oh my God, who's that? Fort Plane cop?
Fort Plane being nosy.
No way, we can use this.
Film it. Make it look like we're getting arrested or something for our YouTube.
He's out of his jurisdiction.
Get clear feet down, huh?
We got a lot. We gotta have 30.
I don't know if it's that
25?
many.
You don't think?
Mid-20s, I'd say.
Not that big heavy set.
No, that's a scarf. You might come on over.
What happens in this situation? Kick rocks pretty much, or
Yeah.
or is he gonna come check out too?
No, I mean he's nice. He's just nosy, so.
Way over that
Where'd the
house.
other kid go?
He's chasing a crip over there.
Turn your body camera on for this one.
Come on, do it up, please.
It's gonna work. We're shooting firecrackers at him.
We'll just have him back down behind the flag. With a
Yeah,
Fort
he's
Plane
doing
cop
it.
taking it in.
I love this. These are dumping in. I'm so proud of America right
Hand him
now.
again. I grabbed him. I think I grabbed him.
Does he have his license?
You can pop some 9mm.
You got some back left too.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, they're floating.
We got him.
Sweet talking them.
Plug your ears back there.
There's some coming.
We're wiping these things.
Make him pucker! Wow.
Wipe them
I don't know if we both got that one, but we just.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
He got oh man, we got a lot more.
Let's go!
Are they on the ground? Alright, let these ones swing. If they jump, we'll kill them. They might do it when we're swinging. Here we go.
First one? There's a single coming in too. One on the right.
Oh,
right?
the soul dumping it.
I think so. Should go on the right.
See what the soul does. If not, just kill those two. Yeah, kill those two.
I crunched him.
Oh, we got some on the left.
Nope.
Is there another one out there on the right that we didn't pick up?
Every time they got over there.
This block might still come in. Come on, let's go, baby. Scumbags.
Yeah, they came.
I'm gonna be honest.
3 right here to the left. 3 here to the left.
Hey, 3 right here. 3 right here. You have to.
Wait. Right one, Rivers. Watch that house. Got him.
Watch the house.
Watch that one. You got a runner.
He comes.
He's checking out the spread. Get him.
That house just got smoked.
Yep.
Swing and a miss.
Swinging nice and low. Nice and low. Why are they late? They're so far out.
So we just ran into him.
Yeah. That's gonna be it.
Should we just rain into him?
Yeah.
Well, shoot. The Federales? That is enough running. Federales shoot great. Come on, look at this guy. He's running. Look at this guy.
All right, I gotta take a picture today because I don't have any pictures from yesterday.
Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I wasn't able to give too many updates during the hunt. It was pretty hot and heavy. 48.
Colton, what do you have there? Got some metal.
And 2 bands, of course. But huge shout out, Triple Threat, for having us up here. We love getting the invite, and might be able to try to get on some tomorrow, maybe not. But either way, this was a blast of a weekend.
You think the chains flared them today?
The bling brought him in, old Pooh Shiesty.
Doing his job as always.
That's going to be it, and hopefully everybody enjoyed.
The bling brought it.